AI videos of underground bunkers being built are blowing up on YouTube right now. Some of these channels are only 2 months old, yet they've already crossed 200 million views with less than 70 videos. And the craziest part? These videos are created entirely with AI, no filming, no expensive software, and no upfront cost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral bunker videos are made step by step, so you can create them yourself. But before we start, welcome back to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brooks, and on this channel, I show you viral YouTube niches, AI tools, and strategies to grow profitable channels. Now let's jump straight into how these bunker videos are made. So let's first talk about why this niche works so well. These bunker videos follow a very simple storytelling pattern. You start with something that looks old, broken, or abandoned. Then slowly, scene by scene, it gets rebuilt and transformed. Viewers love transformation content. It's the same reason why restoration videos go viral, construction time-lapses go viral, even Minecraft building videos go viral. People love watching something go from ruins to something powerful. And with AI tools, you can now create these cinematic stories without filming anything. The first thing you need is a master prompt for ChatGPT. This prompt will generate complete video ideas automatically. When you paste the prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate 10 different video concepts. Each video contains 9 scenes. Each scene includes image prompt, animation prompt, voiceover narration. So basically, you're getting a full video blueprint instantly. You don't have to think about story, script, visuals. Everything is generated automatically. Then all you need to do is pick one idea and start creating the visuals. Now, we move to the image creation stage. Go to Google and search for Flow AI. Inside Flow, start a new project and choose the image generation model. Make sure to select Portrait Format, Image Output, Nano Banana Pro Model. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for Scene 1. Paste it into Flow and generate the image. You'll usually get 2 image options. Just choose the one you like and download it. Then repeat this process for all remaining scenes. By the end of this step, you should have 9 images that represent your entire video story. Quick pause for a second. If you're interested in hidden AI YouTube niches, you should definitely check out this video right here. Click the card on the screen. It's called I Found a Hidden AI YouTube Niche Getting 90 Million Plus Views. Tiny Animal POV Videos Tutorial. I break down a completely different viral niche that's exploding on YouTube right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Now let's continue. Once your images are ready, it's time to animate them. Inside Flow, switch the model type from image to video. Choose Frames Animation, Portrait Format, VEO 3.1 Fast Model. Now you'll see 2 options, start frame, end frame. Here's how it works. Set scene 1 as the start frame and scene 2 as the end frame, then copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT and generate the video. The AI will create a smooth transition between those scenes. After that, scene 2 becomes the start frame. Scene 3 becomes the end frame. Then repeat the same process. Do this until all scenes are animated. Now, you have a complete cinematic AI sequence. Now, let's add narration. You can use Google AI Studio for this. Search for it, open the platform, and select the text-to-speech tool. Choose a voice you like. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script generated for the video, paste it into the AI Studio voice tool, and generate the audio. Within seconds, you'll have a professional sounding voiceover. Download the audio and move to the final step. Now, open CapCut or any video editor. Import all the animations, the voiceover audio. First place the voiceover on the timeline, then add your animated scenes in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Adjust the speed so everything matches the narration. Once the video is finished, export it, then upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. One important trick, instead of adding music inside the editor, add a trending sound directly on the platform. This can massively boost your reach. And that's it. That's how people are creating viral AI bunker shorts channels completely for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, comment below, share it with someone who wants to start a YouTube channel, and of course subscribe to Chase Profit for more AI YouTube strategies. I'm Chase Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.